warning tonight from the Department of Homeland Security about the danger of drones.
What makes it so difficult to defend against?
The US Department of Homeland Security has issued strong concern that Chinese-made drones may be sending flight data back to China.
I had what I believe to be a drone pass over me, and it was headed east towards Yuma.
The U.S. Department of Defense is acting to limit the use of foreign technology at the military and civil service levels. These directives include banning the use of certain foreign-made cell phones, the growing use of select foreign-owned apps, and especially foreign-made drones among all military personnel and government departments. In fact, the U.S. Department of the Interior made the call in 2019 to ban all foreign-made drones due to spying fears. This creates a huge disruption to a massive market, as Chinese-made drones currently make up a whopping 75% of the entire drone market in North America. With foreign-made drones essentially grounded by the U.S. government, and the recent directive by the U.S. government to ban Chinese-made drones over national security concerns, the door has been opened for trusted domestic drone companies operating in the U.S. and Canada. Draganfly, a North American UAV leader with 18 key patents and many more coming in the unmanned aerial vehicle industry, is well positioned to capitalize on this tremendous opportunity, opening the door to replace and deliver next stage homegrown technology to provide military, police, fire, security, conservation, construction, utility, and agriculture applications with cutting-edge solutions across North America. Draganfly has over 20 years of experience and innovation with a number of industry firsts, including one of the first companies to develop the quadcopter drone, recognized as the first drone to save a human life, the first drone to be inducted into the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. These accomplishments cannot go unnoticed as Draganfly continues its quest for innovation. This includes 3 upcoming crucial applications to detect, defend, and deliver. 1. Detect. Anti-drone technology is critical in securing airspace around airports, refineries, and other critical infrastructure from rogue aerial-borne threats. Take, for example, the ability to detect and take out a terrorist drone at a public venue, such as a stadium or sporting event. 2. Defend. Border surveillance is a hot topic of late. Can the entire southern U.S. border be covered by a wall? No, it can't. America needs next-generation technology to secure its borders, which also includes monitoring and tracking drugs illegally being trafficked. Draganfly is working on a specific fixed-wing drone to do both. It has the potential to fly higher, farther, and longer than any other drone at a lower cost than what is available today, utilizing Draganfly's technological advancements. 3. Deliver. Under intense and dangerous conditions, the time-critical transfer of vital supplies on the battlefield can be key to survival. Draganfly is developing a drone to deliver critical payloads, such as ammunition to soldiers, blood to the wounded, and critical information when communication systems are either overextended or have broken down altogether. In addition to the advanced technology Draganfly is already delivering, these new security applications are a game changer when it comes to saving lives and advancing drone tech to the next ultimate level. Believe it, Draganfly delivers the best tech for the job. The construction, media and broadcasting, and agricultural industries, along with industrial customers, are all prime targets for next-generation secure drone technology that Draganfly already delivers. Combined, these potential customers alone could represent millions in revenue. This is a big deal. Draganfly is uniquely positioned to capitalize on recent political and security directives on multiple levels. This is a total game changer for potential investors in the UAV space. Investors who are seeking exciting, new, up-and-coming opportunities, take notice. This is a very special and highly unique investment opportunity you will want to research further that could ultimately provide explosive growth.